We're going to try to not prevent the cold per se, but reduce the symptoms, reduce the longevity of the cold. So first thing is, let's say you get up in the morning at 8 o'clock. Your mother and grandmother, they were always right. Gargling water with salt, okay?
Yeah.
It's very important to gargle water with salt because the salt is very important. What the salt will do is it will draw out some excess fluid that's in your tissues. We have a graphic up so you can see when someone has a sore throat, what it may look like. So on the left-hand side is a sore throat. You see how the tissues are swollen? It's called edema or swelling. And what the salt water will do is, one, it will draw some of the fluids out to make those tissues reduce their swelling. The second thing is it will help to flush out some of the bad bacteria. So sometimes there's an imbalance between good bacteria and bad bacteria. Then at 9 o'clock, you have to drink fluids, guys. Drink water. Try about 8 glasses or more a day. It's important because it will help you replace the fluids. We lose fluids all day long, by the way.
Right.
Particularly when you're sick. You become dehydrated and don't realize it. 10 o'clock, put on your shoes, go to the drugstore, okay? So this is our little drugstore here. Okay, Dr. Ian's drugstore, okay? And so you want to get some pain reliever. Look for something that has acetaminophen in it, okay? But here's the trick. Always look at the different ingredients. Too much acetaminophen is not good for your liver. Next thing is, believe it or not, take an allergy medication. First of all, when you get a cold, it may actually trigger your allergies. And also, that's when you take your decongestant. So your decongestant can help thin those mucous membranes, open up those passages. 12:30,
okay.
It's time to go eat. Chicken soup, nothing like chicken soup. Now, a lot of people thought that the chicken soup was just kind of an old wives' tale, but that's not the case. Chicken soup is great for lots of things. First of all, you need to have fluids, as I said before. You end up having not enough fluids when you are dehydrated or having an infection, a viral infection. So we put some chicken stock in there. Then we also we have celery, onions, and carrots. The onions are full of antioxidants, which are very good. Help you fight, once again. The celery is great for you. The carrots are full of beta-carotene. There's some vitamin C in there, which is also wonderful. So this is very good. You can see in our graphic here of what all these different ingredients will do for you.
Let me finish this up.
Yeah. So we have our chicken. Our chicken's important because it has a good protein. It helps support and boost the immune system. And then lastly, we have our carbs. Carbs are good. They make you feel full. They give you a shot of energy.
They're comforting.
They're very comforting. So chicken soup actually is very good for you. Next is our saline spray. So now it's 2 o'clock. You need to clean your nose. Here's the important part. People do it wrong. The first thing you should do, I'm not going to do it now, is to blow your nose, really blow your nose, to clear out the secretions so that the saline or the medicated spray will get absorbed. Exactly. So you do that, number one. The second thing you have to do is make sure that you follow the directions of the saline spray. Now, saline spray does not have medication. It's the same alkalinity and basic nature of your blood, so it's fine. But some of these are medicated. They have steroids. In that instance, if it's a medicated nasal spray, you only take it the amount that it says because it can really damage the lining inside of your membranes. Next thing is elderberry syrup.
This I've never heard of. I mean, I know what elderberries are.
Yeah, well, so it comes from a plant, Sambucus plant. It's very healthy, or you can have the honey. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon now that we're going to do this, okay?
And why am I doing this?
Because it has antiviral properties. It can boost your immune system. It's not bad, right, for medicine? Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah. When people say, should I use sugar or honey? I said, well, if you want the sweetness and get some added value to it, use the honey because it has great health-promoting properties, okay?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
All right.
Okay, now, come over here. It's 4 o'clock. You are tired. It's been a long day, okay? Your natural inclination is not to do anything. Wrong. Move a little bit. Because exercise does 2 things. 1, it can actually stimulate your immune system.
Right.
And 2, it can actually release what are called endorphins. Those are the body's happy chemicals that go around your body for hours after you're done exercising. And just doing this like this, standing in place, like so, do it for about 30 seconds, take a rest, do it again. Simple exercises like that will get your heart rate up, will give you some tone, boost your immune system, and release those endorphins.
Really?
And lastly, it's 7 o'clock at night. You're not going to
send me to bed, are you?
Well, not you and I won't go to bed, but the average person should start winding down their day at 7 o'clock and go to sleep a little early. Why? Because when you are awake, you're still being stimulated, your immune system's being stimulated. We want to let our body rest. Sleep is about restoration, so go to sleep a little early, allow your body to catch up, live to fight another day.